Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the Rhino Gear screen protector on the Fitbit Charge 2. Okay, so as you guys know, this is a wet install screen protector. So the first thing we need to do is to prepare the application solution, which is basically just dish soap and water. So if you have a bowl or a cup just like this one, just go ahead and fill it up with water. And we're just going to put about half a teaspoon of soap, just like that. Put it in there and stir. And just like that. One thing I wanted to mention is that if you have a spray bottle, just like this one, you can put the solution in there too. But basically it works either way. I'm going to show you guys how to install it, just using the liquid in this cup or using a spray bottle. Okay, so now that we have the application solution prepared, we're going to go ahead and clean the Fitbit 2 screen. Just make sure all the dust or any fingerprints are out of the way. Next step, we're going to go ahead and peel off one of the protectors. And it peels right off just like a sticker, just like that. Alright, so as you can see, without the application solution, the film does look hazy or blurry. So that's what the solution is for. It activates the adhesive and makes it clear once it dries up. So we can just go ahead and dip it in the solution just like that, or if you have a spray, you can just go ahead and spray it. Okay. So next step is applying the protector onto the screen. So it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and lay it flat on the Fitbit screen. Just like that. And as the film is still in its wet stages, you can still kind of move it around, slide it around just like that. So what you want to do is just get it centered, aligned as much as possible into the screen, and there it is. Now the next step is actually just let it sit there and let it dry. Now as you can see, you might have like these little haze marks over there. These are all going to disappear when the screen protector film starts drying. One thing I want to mention is that the film is designed to be less sticky or even slippery while it's wet with the application solution. So if you're having trouble getting it to stick onto the screen, all you really need to do is wait a few more minutes for the film to start drying a bit, and it should stick on there. And all you need to do after that is to just let it sit and let it dry for a couple hours or so, and it'll be ready to use. And some of these haziness or little micro bubbles, they will go away after a couple of days. And I'm just gonna let it sit here, and I'll show you guys the finished results after it dries. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys how the film looks like after about 30 minutes since the last step that I showed you guys. As you can see, the film is pretty much settled on there. It's not moving around. The only thing is that you can probably still see some haziness or micro bubbles right there under the surface of the film. This is normal. This is gonna go away, start going away in a couple hours. I would say give it 1 or 2 days for it to completely go away. But as long as it's on there flat, it should be good to go. And I'll show you guys the finished results in a bit.